I'm gonna hit you so hard you won't see nothing. Ever, 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 ever.
Audio skulls all day.
The merit scientist forever. The merit scientist forever. The merit scientist forever. The merit scientist forever.
You can't have an opinion on something that you haven't even tried.
Exactly.
The merit scientist forever. The merit scientist forever. The merit scientist forever. The merit scientist forever.
Sean P. Oh no. R.I.P. Sean P. I just heard his new album this week. That jump was hard.
What's happening?
Sean P, the rapper, he died a few years ago.
Okay.
He posthumously released an album. Whoever is in charge of his shit released an album with all Sean P shit, new shit that no one's heard.
Sean P. Where's he from?
New York.
New York.
He is he was part of Boot Camp Click.
Okay.
You don't know Boot Camp Click?
I don't know, dude. I'm not.
Remember Black Moon?
No, not. You know, I might sound like an idiot right now, but no. I think I'm a little spaced, but
the Cocoa Brothers, Smith and Wesson.
yeah. Oh yes. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, I knew you were jogging your memory with that one. That was good shit.
To anybody that's listening right now, the three people on Earth, I am a little faded, so please forgive me.
Well, you have good reason to be. You got promoted.
Yeah, I got promoted today.
After how long?
Well, I've been managing for about 3.5 years. 3.5 years.
How long you been at your spot?
Been at my spot for 7 years. Off and on, I have left on occasion.
Papa John's, by the way.
Yeah.
Papa John's sponsor us.
Yeah, dude.
We're Nationals fans.
I'm actually in my uniform right now, so hold on. Let me. Excuse me. Let me get my mic together. But yeah, I got promoted to general manager today.
Nice.
It feels really good. I've worked very, very hard for it. It's not something that is easy to do. I think it really takes, you know, the saying goes, you know, if anybody could do it, or what is it? If it was easy.
If it was easy, anybody could do it.
Yeah. It's definitely not easy.
Nah.
It definitely.
That was my phone. I'm throwing his phone on the floor. He's getting messages. I'm like, nah, bro. We're doing a podcast right now.
What if it was a woman? Hold on. We might have to cut this short. Oh no, it's.
Yeah, put it back.
Yeah.
Right down there, right down the floor. Yeah. don't touch.
Okay, so but anyway, so it's just a good feeling. It really was a good feeling. I don't think it's really sunk in yet for me, just because this is something I do every day. It's something that people know me for, you know. So the fact that
which makes it even sweeter, though.
Yeah. So the whole transition, even with my staff is they're very good people, man. You know, they work very hard. It's not an easy job. You have to see. The job is easy in a sense, but the level of commitment you have to get to, you know, give to it is very tremendous.
I'll be right back. Keep going.
Okay, so Jared is stepping away for a moment, so I guess
Need some water.
Water? Well, bring me one. Is it Deer Park?
I mean, we are in the DMV.
Well, all right. Well, so,
Hey, matter of fact, bro, them cuts down.
What, these two? Man, these look like they have fucking. Are these the fucking glasses we drink the beer out of, dude? That was like a month ago.
Nah. You can wash it out.
With what? The Deer Park?
Never mind, I was fucking with you. Figure something out though. There's a cup up there too, or 2 cups up there. Can you even hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. So you want me to read next to this bottle of protein?
Or let's see. I mean, you can wash the cup.
Do you
right
want
there,
water?
dude? The sink's right there. You can wash the cup in there.
So I have to get up. I don't want to get up right now.
Well, sorry.
No, fine. What do you want?
Did
you want a waterfall?
I will drink right out of this motherfucker.
No, I'm asking if you want
no,
a
no,
waterfall.
No, we're not waterfalling shit.
That's I don't know how.
Back to
that
where
really
were we
sounds.
at?
I was trying to talk about me finally getting promoted. No.
Oh yeah. Go ahead.
You have glasses that were used a month ago in a show that nobody watched. Okay.
No, they watched it.
Fucking.
The beer one. Yeah, the beer one was actually the beer one, and I gotta look at the numbers again. The beer one and I want to say 2 are the 2 best shows right now. I can't remember the views. I mean, it's not like crazy. We're not doing Joe Rogan numbers up in here. You know what I mean?
Yeah, it's
Howard Stern and shit.
Well, we are starting, but it is what it is. But back to, I guess, what my
My original
day.
point.
The point.
Promoted.
But just being promoted is a very good thing, and I have a very good staff. I have very good rapport with them. I actually could have been promoted a long time ago, but I didn't want to leave the store I was at. I'm very comfortable there. Everybody knows me for what I do.
Everybody knows RJ.
Yeah,
That's why he's called the pizza guy.
Yeah,
like,
so-
shit.
so-
Like, see, I don't know if most of the people that watch are like people we know, but like if you're just a random person and you came across this shit, like these motherfuckers are bullshitting. Like, nah, dog, this is all real shit.
Yeah, it's all real over here, baby.
This is life for us right now.
No lacking, but
ain't nobody fucking faking about netting.
But it's something that I feel is well deserved for me, and I think I ultimately do this for my family. I do it for my mom. It's not always about what you want; it's what you need. Like it right now, living in today's society, trying to just pay for things and do things that you'd like. You just you need money, man. And I don't want to say unfortunately, I did not finish college. I am happy for the people that I know.
Not everybody does.
Yeah, and I'm not using that, but I feel like when you're younger, or when I was younger at least, going to school and getting an education was the way to become the person that you needed to be, in the long run. And I'm
kind of split in the middle on that.
Yeah.
Because I'm an entrepreneur by heart, and because I have a college education, and because I work a regular job instead of being a 24/7 entrepreneur.
Okay.
It's just, that's a difficult thing to juggle. You know what I'm saying? To be just, this is life.
Yeah.
People don't understand like how, like,
it doesn't work.
To get ahead, you gotta do this and you gotta do that. Some people just don't give a fuck. Like with my new job, like that if anybody doesn't know, what's this? We haven't done a show in a month because we've both been busy like grinding.
Yeah.
He just got his promotion. I started my new job earlier in the month, or last month, at the end of last month. I've been there for almost a month now. And
how's that working out for you?
I'm liking it, bro.
Yeah, you're liking it?
Aside from just like being back in the city, like working in the city and working in an area where I'm not used to like the way shit is run.
I was gonna ask you, man, like how's the city life for you?
It's definitely different from Northern Virginia, Springfield,
Yeah.
shit, even Arlington, everywhere. Northern Virginia, period. Like as soon as you cross into DC, you start. It depends on where you're at, really, because like one block you'll see a block of rundown buildings.
Okay.
Like broken down covers on the windows and the doors, and like needles in the fucking. I don't want to say needles. That's too much. It's not that bad.
the fuck we
But
it's New Jack City.
there's a lot of people doing something out there. Like I'll be looking at people like they're fucking talking to themselves, dog. Like, who are you talking to, sir?
Yeah, well, cocaine is a hell of a drug, bro. And it's probably worse than that.
Like,
to be honest with you.
I just think there's areas of this country where people don't even look. It's like, yo, this is not what I'm used to. Like, why is that going on? Like, somebody should be doing something about this.
Man, I agree with you. I think, especially if you want to talk about like a drug epidemic. I know that that heroin is currently one of the.
It's fucking huge right now,
dude. It is I don't know a statistic off the top of my head, but I know it is killing fucking everybody.
Yeah,
unfortunately, people that I know have recently lost.
I don't want to get too far into like conspiracy. I'm not talking.
No,
what you're saying.
No, I'm listening.
But do you know what the number one crop that comes out of Afghanistan is?
What is it like? What is it? I don't want to say a poppy seed.
It's poppy.
It's poppy seeds.
No, not just seeds. Poppy is a
just
plant that goes into a flower.
Plant, yeah.
Yeah, poppy.
Dude, it's crazy because, like I said, I don't know any type of numbers. I just know the people that I know on a mutual level and some personally close to me, and there have been a lot of deaths recently related to those kinds of things, and it's
we getting deep on this motherfucking podcast.
Well, no, but there, and it's sad, man, because I don't know what a person like that would go through, mentally and especially physically, trying to stay away from shit like that. And then judgment's gonna be passed. It's like, oh,
I'm gonna lighten the mood a little bit.
No, is that dirty ass glass, man? Come on, man. Pouring my heart out here, and he's pouring.
My bad.
Just give me the jug, bro. But
please don't spill this shit all over everything.
No, I'm not gonna spill it anywhere.
The cap's not on it.
Oh, it's not. So.
Instead of put it up there. Oh, that's fine down there. Yeah. Instead of drinking beer, we're drinking water right now. That's how thirsty we are.
Yeah. And there's no beer in the fridge, to be honest.
Oh, that sucks so bad.
Yeah. It's like 3:30 in the morning right now.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. We're trying to get this shit out because we wanted to do one, and we're just not sure what our schedules are looking like right now. But we enjoy doing the fuck out of this shit.
Welcome to episode 6 of the Mad Scientist podcast.
It's number 6. That doesn't even sound right.
Number 6. 6 is a good number, man. Mm-hmm. It represents a lot. Like a lot, you know what I mean? 6 p.m. The Simpsons came on Fox, so hey, that's good for me.
Hey, we go full circle to episode, what was that one where we were talking about The Simpsons?
Yeah, well, welcome to it. But what I was saying is just the fact that you were talking about why isn't anybody doing anything about this? It's very sad because people there are the resources, people can reach out, people can do this, people can do that, but at the end of the day, as a person, it's ultimately upon you to really want to better yourself. Yeah. So, but for people not to help, sometimes I feel like people are afraid to help because people are so consumed with their lives nowadays. I mean, I'm just saying. Like they might see it and they might feel sad and they're like, oh shit, like I wish I could do something for this guy, and they may genuinely really want to do it, but they know that in 10 minutes they got to be at work, or in like when they get off at work after work they got to go pick up their kids, and they don't. You know what?
That's a very good point because that's.
But there
for
are
me
people
a lot of times I feel like I'm the same way. Like I want to help this person, but man, I really got to get to this spot. Like, I'm not like I'm going out partying or something. Yeah. Like, man, I really got to be at this meeting at this time. Like, I wish I could help you, but I can't. You know what I'm saying?
Of course. But
and that's the hard thing to just tell people no, or just figure out ways to not be an asshole.
Yeah, no, it's difficult, man, because I think as people we are genuinely in tune with one another, really. Like when something really bad happens, like everybody comes together as one.
That's been this shit freezing on me. That's been going on for a while. Fuck it, it froze, but it's still good.
It's all right, good. We're still good, baby.
That's that variable frame rate type shit.
So,
I'm sorry, nerd shit.
Don't worry, man. But things like that, I feel people are genuinely really in tune with one another. Like I was saying, like when something bad happens, like people really do come together. It's
That's true.
it's crazy. Like
then it wears off after a
yeah,
certain
it does
amount of
wear
time.
off, but no, I don't think it. Yeah, it wears off on the surface, but the stain
you're
is
right.
still.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
like that stain in the carpet that you can rub out, but you can still see kind
But
of.
I think make it a stain sounds bad though.
Well, yeah, okay, I can understand that.
But I feel what you're saying. I feel
Yeah,
what you're
so
saying.
I'm just saying like the mark that it's leaving. You
Yeah.
know what I mean? The stains are not cool on carpets.
Stains aren't cool. Period. Stain is a bad word. That's like it's a pretty bad word.
Do you
I
do you think it's in
disdain
the
you.
Yeah. Well, don't say it like that.
That's what I'm saying. I mean,
yeah.
I don't disdain you, but look, that's stain.
Do you feel like it's like the context in which it's used?
Disdain is clear context.
Okay. Well,
Clear negative context.
he's correct. So all
I'm
right.
just saying.
All right. So what is this? What
I
do
don't
you got
know.
about?
Okay, so I have this book. It's called the Physics Book. Shout out to Jay Joseph. He actually got me this book because I helped him out one year. Look, this man needed rides from every fucking where, and I fucking took him. And after that, this is how much he appreciated. He gave me this fucking book.
So what is the book about?
It's about physics, like different discoveries in physics over. It's called the Physics Book. Clifford A. Pickover, From the Big Bang to the Quantum Resurrection. 250 milestones in the history of physics.
Now, when was this book published?
Shit, man, you asking librarian questions.
Because
first of all, it was printed in China.
Okay. Do you remember Bandai?
This is a pretty ass book for fucking being printed in China. I'll tell you that.
That's racist.
Huh?
Nah. Do you
See,
remember Bandai?
we're not going there because
I'm just
fuck
being,
that.
being a fucking dick. That's
It's
all.
a bunch of bullshit going
There,
on.
it is like 3:30 in the morning. I thought I was at home, but I'm in Jared's basement.
Well, we're doing a show right now. I'm trying to find a year for
Is
you.
that what's happening?
Yeah.
I'm pretty lit.
I don't know. Who cares? You want so basically, we're dumb. I could have done the fucking just went to the last year.
Yeah, that's why.
That would've told me
See,
what-
that's why I was asking when it was published. Like, how accurate and how up to date is this book?
Let's see.
Not that I would know anything in it, but I know you would want to know.
Greater than 100 trillion years.
Dude,
Quantum resurrection.
Is that a dude's fucking?
What?
What is that? Is that his whole like skull?
First of all, I have to read what quantum resurrection is, but this dude is predicting. Y'all can't see that.
What is that?
In 100 trillion years, greater than 100 trillion years, there will be quantum resurrection. I don't know what the fuck that means. The theory is by Ludwig
Dude, that's
Edward
is that like
Boltzmann.
Is that like time travel, like or freezing time, quantum?
I don't know. Well, quantum is small. Quantum is like quantum computing
Yeah.
is like very like at atomic level, even lower than atomic level.
But
there's
is that,
quarks and there's.
but is that like controlling that though?
What's controlling what? The quarks?
Yeah.
Quarks. And again, you're getting into deep physics right now.
That's what I do.
Quarks are very small
Physica.
are very, very, very small particles that supposedly make up the nucleus of atoms.
You want to get stoned?
Was that too much for you? No.
No, I'm just messing with you, man. No. Okay, so I'm listening. I was making a.
I know, but
You know,
but did you get what I was saying? Like,
it to an extent. However,
again, I have not read this theory yet, so I don't know what it is. And I don't want to waste time.
yeah,
on here
like,
waiting
just,
to read it.
it's like
But this
my
is just,
name is Jared.
This
This is my book.
I wish it was my book. Yo, I might have to write something like this. This shit. It's fucking. You know what I need? I need a rocket science book. Ooh, little atom boy.
Is that the
What's it?
atomic bomb?
That's the atomic bomb, 1945.
Dude,
Yo, fucking science is fucking evil and good.
dude, that's fucking crazy, man.
This killed fucking thousands of people.
Is that like a purple eyeball in space?
No.
This
is a sun.
It's like the Death Star, bro.
That's the sun. But
in like from what type of imagery? Because I've never seen the sun look like that.
this is I don't know the exact. I don't know.
Is that like with
You can see the gases moving around on here.
okay?
Kind of.
So if you can't see it, it's kind of purple. It's got a black hole in it. It's got a little bit of yellow on the outer rims. It's the lighting. Yeah. So it just
that's the moon right there.
okay, you think that's the moon now? Okay, because I would say I don't think anybody has ever seen the sun look like that.
Oh, it's the infrared light.
Well, we have a book with information in it. What
I
does
didn't
it
read
say?
what it was in.
Like, what does it say?
Actually, yeah, the moon passing
Oh,
in
the
front
moon,
of the
oh.
sun, captured by NASA's. Hold on, let's go back. All right, this is the caption of the photo. The moon passing in front of the sun, captured by NASA's Stereo B spacecraft on February 25th, 2007. That was weird how to read that. Why are you yawning?
Because it's 3:30 in the morning, but I said that like an hour ago.
Well, you still have 20 minutes.
Till 3:30 in the morning?
No, until we're done with this podcast.
Oh, have we got that? Have we done that much so far?
What, 20?
Minutes?
We've done half. We've done half so far.
That's fucking incredible.
Yeah, man. That's what we do.
Okay.
We like this shit.
Yeah, well, I like this shit, but dear. Okay, read about the moon, please. I'm sorry.
All right.
We don't know.
Okay,
what
that
we're
was the
doing.
moon passing in front of by that thing. Basically, okay. Here's what the where you're talking about how it looked like that. It's in 4 wavelengths of extreme ultraviolet light. Like I said, I said infrared, so I was wrong. It's ultraviolet light. Because the satellite is farther than the sun, or farther from the sun than the Earth, the moon appears smaller than usual. Didn't I say that? In like not so many words though.
Yeah, but I still never like that completely threw me off. I'd never seen anything like that. That looks like a different planet completely.
See, this is why you need to do stuff. You need to be in science, bro.
Science, dude. That's a
We did-
fucking
1932. We discovered the neutron. I was just talking about neutrons.
the neutrons. That's a fucking factory in Kentucky, bro.
What?
Like, the picture?
The picture. Is that a picture there, sir? What the fuck is that?
That's a dog with its head in the ground.
Oh, that's weird. Oh, string theory. I was just watching something on string theory the other day. I need to read this.
Shit looks kind of like weed.
That does not look like weed. It's like a bunch of green caterpillars. Caterpillars.
If it's green, it looks like weed.
All right.
Just saying.
So what's going on, bro?
Nothing much, man. Just excited for the step forward, and it's good that I think it's good that actually there's something I wanted to ask you about. Oh God, I know it's very late and I'm getting all over the place.
Oh, did you
but
see the Punisher trailer?
I saw somebody post it. I have not watched it.
That was
yet.
me. We can watch it now.
Okay, no, I'm fine. But I was gonna ask you something.
What?
Oh, God damn it! I'm having a stoner.
I'm having an
alcoholic
epiphany.
I'm just like kind of looking off into your at your wall.
Oh yeah, it's a wall.
Damn, I lost my train of thought, man.
Bring it back. Bring it back. When the barrel, who sang that song?
T.I.
Oh, yeah.
Oh wait,
Yeah,
you mean?
yeah,
Oh,
yeah,
okay.
you're right.
Yeah, it's T.I. I was gonna say the sample. The sample
Man,
is Jay-Z.
I'm in this group on Facebook, and it's
Talk while I'm gonna listen, but I'm also
it's
gonna
like
think.
what is this group called? I'm gonna give them a shout out right now. The Extraordinary Journey of a Black Nerd Group. That's the name of the group. They have some cool stuff, but like if you comment on one fucking thing, dude, you are getting bombarded with notifications. Like Facebook, I'm gonna need y'all to get right and fix that shit. Okay, so basically what this one was it was which code are you? So there's different codes. Let's see if we can put this up here. It's the Jedi code, the Gray Jedi, and the Sith code. That's gonna be too bright.
Nobody's ever gonna see what What's happening?
Well, anyway, maybe I'll post it right now. Okay. So what it says is basically what it's saying. I don't know if it's gonna work on here. Is that which code are you? Are you a Jedi? Are you the gray code? Or you're the I'm sorry. Are you Jedi, gray Jedi, or are you Sith?
Would you want to be the bad guy?
I'm asking you who you would be. You want me to tell you what they would be? I didn't really mean to post that, but okay.
Nah, I think it's always kind of cool to be the bad guy, because the thing about the bad guy is that they have a story, and within that story is a level of development to that character, and what leads them to be.
So wait, there's no story to being a Jedi?
Yes, there is, but I think just by principle, most people want to be good people, and you think, like, why is somebody bad? And I'm not trying to compare this to anything in particular. I'm just saying, in theory, in a story, like if you're writing a book, or if you're watching a show, like, why is this guy the bad guy? Like, what makes him bad? Like, why is he like that?
Well, there's the other side to it. Like, why does the bad guy hate the good guy so much? Like, what is there something?
Exactly.
Is there something that he has that he wants, or is there something that he wants that he has?
Exactly. That's my point.
Because it could go either way. Good versus evil is interchangeable.
Yeah, and that I completely agree with that. And what I'm saying is that the whole story aspect, I think it's more intriguing. I think it's more interesting. It's like, hey man, why are you acting that way? Like, what's going on? Like, you will get to know a person more through their pain than through their joy. I'm telling you that right now. That's
Speaking of that, we talked about this with him earlier. I don't think it was clear on the last time. Like, when we gave him a shout out. He said he hasn't listened since episode 2.
okay.
Or watched since episode 2. But now he knows there's other ones. Our man Travis.
Yeah, Travis.
He was involved in something a few weeks ago. He is healed up. He was out tonight.
It's
good to see you, brother.
Yeah, exactly. Good to see you. Actually saw him last night, man.
I'm still pointing over here. I need to be pointing at the camera.
I think
Good to see you, bro.
I think you just like enjoying just the whole.
It's weird. It's weird looking at yourself, be yourself, and I don't know that. It's weird.
Oliver's kind of drunk too. We didn't mean to ignore you, bud. We've just had a long day. I hope you're happy for me. I'm talking. Sorry, my bad.
I was like, "Who are you talking to?"
Yeah, it's just
like
me.
Oliver better say something. Like, bruh,
So-
I need you to really fucking talk right now. Like
get the
that
fuck out.
was fucking weird.
But
I'm fuck with you.
But no, I really think, yeah. But the story aspect of it, and just I feel like you can get to know somebody better on a personal level through their pain than their joy.
Pain and suffering. That was my new song that I just came up.
No, well, it sounded all right, I guess.
It sounded great.
Now I remember what I wanted to ask you.
Yes, there we go.
There we go. Okay, so the solar eclipse is going to be happening. Okay.
Oh, that was perfect.
Yeah, that's
was
exactly
perfect.
because you were talking about the moon, and then
I forgot. Man, you know what I really forgot? Some fucking. I don't have no way to look at it. Well, I was watching something on.
we can watch it on TV.
Yeah. I'm gonna be for sure. I'm gonna be on the NASA Facebook page. They're gonna have people all across the line. Where, dog, I need to post that map so people can see. On April, we're in fucking August. When
We are.
August 21st. I'm gonna try to have this out. Shit, I'm gonna try to have this out tomorrow. We'll see what happens. That's Saturday. So August 21st, 2017, there is going to be a total eclipse across the United States. Now, depending on where you are, it will be partial, total, this, that, and the other thing, whatever. What?
I was gonna say, I would like to ask you, because I know you would know more in depth than me, and I'm sure I've probably heard it before, but I've forgotten or I just didn't care about it. But if you do stare into the eclipse without the proper eye protection, it will make you go blind. And what causes that?
Yeah, the infrared light going into your retina, it burns your retinas.
So you would physically go blind staring
Yeah,
at
and it
things.
might not even happen right away. It might be a couple of days before it actually takes place.
That's so crazy because do you know what I really feel, man? I feel like a lot of people have some like faulty glasses somewhere and they're gonna go blind.
Well,
I'm genuinely
you're right.
concerned about people going blind.
Well, you're right, because there is a thing where a warning going around about like having fake glasses and making sure your glasses are up to spec. I'm trying to figure out. There used to be a camera store over there in Springfield. I need a solar filter because I can use my camera that I have over there.
Okay.
And use a tripod, and I can set it up if I have a solar filter to be able to actually record what it looks like while it's happening. But I don't have a solar filter, and I don't know if I can get one within the next 2 or 3 days. So that's gonna suck.
Excuse me. Sorry.
So all in the mic.
Yeah, sorry.
My mic checks nice. 1, 2.
Yeah, so you're saying it'll burn your retinas?
Yeah.
Dude, that's crazy. I was gonna say, man, I don't mind viewing it. I mean, I officially start my position on Monday, and more than likely
221, 210 maybe.
I would possibly be able to step outside to see it.
Well, you'll notice it.
We're all gonna notice it.
We don't get the total eclipse where we're at, but it's gonna be pretty significant. What's gonna look like is like a diamond ring.
Yeah, what area is gonna get the most, I guess, visual representation?
It starts in Oregon.
Okay.
And it's gonna go. It's kind of like a S shape down through South Carolina and what's that? Georgia. What's on the coast? Georgia or Alabama? Alabama, right?
No, Alabama's inwards. It's like
what's on the coast of
North Carolina.
North Carolina sound like Tennessee's above that. What the hell? Oh, we're tripping. We'll get back to you guys on that because we should know that.
Yeah, I don't even work here.
Georgia? No, it can't be Georgia.
No, it's not Georgia.
Florida.
I think it's.
There's nothing in there.
No, I think it's Florida, bro.
Oh, well, maybe it's Florida. Florida, South Carolina.
So you got Virginia. You have North Carolina and South Carolina.
Kentucky.
Is it Kentucky?
Yeah.
It's Kentucky.
It's Kentucky. I knew there was something in there. I mean, we could always pull it up. God damn. We have computers
don't even do that.
Everywhere.
I once went to school as a geographical major. So, I'm sorry.
You don't know nothing about that. Oh, geographical. I thought you were talking about graphics. I'm tripping.
In a video game? Like shit.
Yeah.
Still. It's got to be. I can't believe we're looking up the East Coast of the United States.
Yep. And actually, earlier I was looking up Spock costumes for Halloween.
You want to be Spock?
I don't know. I don't think I want to be Spock.
Dude, I think I want to be the Undertaker. I'm not gonna lie. I need to get like a jacket.
East Coast. Let's just go United
Oh,
States.
SummerSlam is tomorrow. I'm very excited. I'm gonna fucking miss it because
you're a responsible human being now. Bye wrestling.
First of all, wrestling comes on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
And you won't be You'll be working.
I will. I have made time for you people. I will make time for wrestling.
You people.
Jesus Christ, man.
What do you mean, you people?
What did he say? I'm a dude playing a dude disguised as another dude.
That shit. Look, it's on Netflix right now. I was
You know
about to
what's
watch
even-
it the other day.
You know what's even crazier? The first time I saw that movie, I didn't find it really that funny.
Man, you fucking fucked me all up. I was right. It's Georgia.
Is it? Show it to me.
It's, like I said, South Carolina, Georgia. I knew it. So anyway, it's gonna be going in an S formation from Oregon down through. Let's see where we're at. It's gonna go through Oregon down through the bottom of Idaho down through Utah / Colorado, Kansas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, Mississippi, Alabama, South Carolina, and Georgia. So that's where we're at right there. That's just where the total eclipse will happen. I don't have a full map of it, and I was more guessing than anything. Not guessing, but like approximating the travel.
So, okay. I was just curious because I would love to see it. I hear they're selling glasses at like Walmart, but I'm sure that shit is like all gone.
Well, I went to a site. Well, yeah, I haven't been to Walmart because I was gonna go earlier today, but I didn't go. But yeah, the site, that's the some society for astronomy, and they had a bunch of recommended places, and then Walmart was one of them, and I was surprised that Walmart was one of the places that was recommended. So I was like, I'm gonna go buy. I don't know, because I've been hearing about a lot of fake.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's why I'm concerned for.
But there's other ways you can do it. Like I saw a way today. Like if you see, if you have your fist, this is a really cheap way. You take your fist and shine it toward the sun, and then look at the shadow. It will show you the eclipse through there because it's like a pinhole camera. Like there's another one you could take a piece of cardboard and put.
That sounds potentially dangerous.
No, it's not dangerous at all. What, my hand looking at the sun? How's that dangerous?
So you're gonna hold it up.
No, you don't look through your eye. You use a pinhole. The shadow goes through your hand, and you look at it on another surface.
That's so fucking wild, dude.
I saw it on a video today. I was like, this is fucking cool. Or you can take a cardboard, like a piece of flat cardboard, and put foil over it. Like cut a hole, put foil over it, and poke a hole in the foil. And the same principle will happen. You'll see a shadow. Like shine it on a surface, and you'll see the shadow of the eclipse. So yeah, RJ's falling asleep, so we might have to end this, folks.
Dude, I am fucking lit. Okay. I'm sorry.
He said, "I am fucking."
Nah,
lit.
I'm just being honest. Dude, it's like
Wow.
what time? It's like 4 a.m.
It's 4. I don't even think this is an hour. I don't think you can handle it anymore.
Nah, man. I gotta go home. You know,
Well,
I have to work tomorrow.
have to
afternoon.
work in the morning. You got to be a responsible human being.
Dude, if I had to work in the morning, I wouldn't even be here.
So yeah,
Just thank you, everybody, for believing in me
and
So-
us.
and us.
This show is fucking awesome. This show might have helped you get that job. It might have built your confidence, sir.
My confidence is on 100 at all times. So
Well, there you go.
there you go.
And that's why he does this show at 4:00 in the
I'm
morning.
giving myself a round of applause right now.
Thank you. A pat on the back, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Smith. So, with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, before I pass out on Jared's couch, on his couch in front of all, what is this? A futon?
Futon, yes.
It's a futon.
It's a futon.
It's got good for you. So,
Barely.
With that being said,
My back always hurts.
you're as fuck. I'm on my feet. But with that being said, thank you for listening to. I guess this is episode 6. Yeah?
Episode 6, the Mad Scientist Lab, Mad Lab Podcast, or at Mad Lab Podcast on Twitter, Facebook.com/the Mad Scientist Lab Podcast,
Like our shit.
Instagram, Mad Lab Podcast,
Just like our shit. So-
YouTube, the Mad Scientist Lab.
Damn, man.
Hey, we gotta make sure they get this junk, man.
All right.
Hey, like, subscribe, review,
Yeah, comment, please.
all the above. Comment. I definitely like comments.
Yeah, comments. Yeah,
'Cause
please,
I like
comment.
to, I like to be snarty. Snarty, is that the word?
No,
Snarky. I like to be
snarky.
snarky back. So if you post some bullshit, I might come back at you. And
But that
if I hurt your feelings, I'm sorry. My bad.
the level of criticism, it's all good. But yeah, we would like everybody to comment. You know,
Hey,
any
and before you
feedback.
ask me a question about a show, watch the whole show. Thanks.
Oh. I see what you did there.
Oh,
Yeah, I see what you did there. Okay, so
I'm great.
yeah, we're great people. Yeah.
Hey, we love y'all.
So hard,
Peace.
you won't see nothing.
Holla at your
Ever,
boys.
ever, ever, ever.
We out.
Audio Skulls all day.
The merit scientist forever. The merit scientist forever. The merit scientist forever. The merit scientist forever.
You can't have an opinion on something that you haven't even tried. Exactly.
The merit scientist forever. The merit scientist forever. The merit scientist